Officers are pursuing a stolen motorcycle, and once they detain the rider, he makes a shocking move they never saw coming.
Hey, sir. I ain't playing out bully. I don't want to get in the car and make a snowy shit. I didn't steal that bike. Okay. Did I run because I know it was stolen? Yes. Can I smoke one cigarette before we go in, please?
Nope. Look, man, I'm not trying to be an asshole.
I didn't see you guys behind me for a long time.
No.
Alright, gang, so if y'all want merch, this is my merch, Maison Rex. We got t-shirts, all different types of colors, you know. Polo shirts, sweatshirts, like hoodies and stuff. We got, you know, the girl hoodies, the crop hoodies. We got some hats. We got some beanies, some backpacks. Link in the description. Yeah, let's get back to the video.
This bike is tracking it, okay?
So how come he didn't get it from dude earlier this morning? I know who had that bike earlier.
Who's that?
I can't remember it. I can't barely talk. I can't drink the water.
I don't want
You can't rap, so your ass going for that.
I can't talk. I'm not trying to be bad, I promise you.
Well, you just told me you wanted me to get bit by that dog.
Because I was upset at the time. Please let me smoke a cigarette, man, please.
Cigarettes are going to dry your mouth out even more, man.
I don't care. I'm going to prison, please. Please, man.
You're cool with me?
I might let you smoke one when you get to jail.
How much do you have in the bag?
Quarter gram ice and 2 Xanaxes.
What is wrong with you? Yeah, you're about that bitch. Gone. Oh shit. Look how he breathing. You ain't put him in the bag. That's what happened. That's how it happened.
And I'm driving. You're gonna meet me somewhere, baby, so I don't get caught. Where are you meeting me?
What? I'm finna get caught, nigga. The hell you mean so you don't get caught? You stupid ass caught. You see how mad he is? He on your ass.
Thanks, baby.
Go behind Ross and
This
gas
bitch
station.
done.
How long till you're there? Baby, how long till you're there? Where you at? You're in this?
No seatbelt.
Baby, the cops are on my ass. What do I do? Baby!
You finna wreck. Woo!
Baby, I'm heading to your dad's house. I'm gonna hide out there.
Shit. You can't believe what the fuck just happened. You better stop, nigga, for that goddamn 18-wheeler smoke your ass.
Oh, shake it. How the did that happen?
Baby, I'm gonna jump in the river and swim down, okay? Baby, look for me, please, please. I'm heading towards Greenville right now, okay?
Is you retarded? Is you slow?
Hey, you know where York Village is at? I'm gonna try to hide somewhere around there, okay? Hey? What? Love you.
Damn, why y'all ain't tell me the fucking bar was down there?
I didn't see him. Dude, next thing I know, he was just, yeah. Dude, I noticed him move around once. I saw him move when we all went to press his bag, to the bag over. Let it run.
That nigga's gone. Oh, they on his ass though. Hold on.
Hey, relax, man. Relax.
Wait, they got your stupid ass. They know it.
He's got my phone, so I can't unlock the doors of my car. Alright, he's on 67 North. Just rounded the curve right now.
Baby. York Village, they hit me with spike strips. Can't drive so much further. York Village, I'm gonna run and hide.
Ooh.
Love it.
Bro, just hit that motherfucking sign.
We should be able to catch up. Right. We got the pink.
Yeah, I know.
Yep. You're good my way. Yep.
Them bitches busted. Better slow it down coming through that bit.
Bound on a 49.
Westbound on 49.
Get his ass, buddy.
Bailed on foot? I can't hear you. He said he did bailed on foot.
Non-whiskers.
That boy ran to the car.
Check this out. I'm gonna show you how I open this car.
He said,
you ready?
"Man, fuck that."
Out City. Cat, where you at? See him? Cat, where you at? Where you at? Bubba! Cat!
They advise the subject has fled in the S curve on 49.
Got it, where you at? Got it, where you at? Anybody see him, hear him? Come on, Bobby. Bobby running here too? Got it?
Full Creek, Ripley County.
Oh gosh, he's got a half-hour drive. Should I ask if the weapons are still
Start working that way. Pick him up before I head that way.
What the Bobby? Bobby!
Pick him up before I head
Scott!
that way.
Scotty!
Can you check with on-scene officers, see if the rifle and shotgun's still secure in his vehicle?
Oh no.
But no, we better be checking.
I know at this time the weapons are secure.
Get out of the way.
You're right behind.
Keep walking.
Still trying to contact the K9.
Scotty!
Understood.
Was that somebody yelling? Hold on for a minute. Come on, Scotty. Answer, baby. Answer. I hear him back there. He's way back here.
I knew he went to that car. He will.
You don't have to lock, because not all the vehicles have these. That's true.
Shotgun securing vehicle.
Okay, that's good.
334 Wayne County. Do we know subject armed or not?
You just heard me say that. They scan us.
Oh, we're here, Chris. Over here, Chris. We got eyes, Chris. We got eyes on him.
What do you say? Located the deputy.
Is deputy secure?
He sounds like a trainer. They always, yeah. I mean, I'm sure they're amped up. I get it.
And Kyle, does not have the anti-theft device on them?
Yeah, they do. Yeah, they should all have the anti-theft.
Yeah, here we are.
9060. Go ahead, where you at?
I'm gonna get my repeater on.
Go ahead and make sure all over the location.
I know. 905, 1110, 729 on scene.
Bobby, which way they run?
When I got on scene, Kelly was on
The spray? I would put some on. There's a Forest Service road
Missouri.
down here. Do you
This
want
in
to go down
Missouri.
it?
What the
Hop
fuck?
in back to Kyle.
Damn. This in Missouri.
Oh, sorry.
What? Oh, you're fine.
I didn't know everybody was in here.
Just scoot over.
Go ahead.
Being a big boy.
Yeah.
You don't have your shirt off. You stripped your shirt.
You know, damn farther.
Why?
My car.
I should have shot him.
You should have shot him.
Yeah.
I saw him move one time. I never thought there was a chance in the world he'd slip him.
Shirt off and in handcuffs.
We sure gotta be. He's driving the vehicle.
I don't know how that happened.
Was he securing the seatbelt?
He was in there like he was supposed to be.
I feel right now.
You wouldn't be the first person.
Hell no.
Well, I tried to jump in with Bobby. Bobby. I was like on the door handle and Bobby took off. I was screaming at Lee. I was like, oh my God.
It was hitting like 128.
I hit 140.
The vehicle's not damaged, though.
Just tires.
I got all four.
He was still 80, 90 mile an hour down 40.
So you dived, I was like, oh. I went to pull my gun, he went like this.
I went through K9. Have your hands up. I'll send the dog. You will be missed. Everybody stay behind me. Yep, no, stay back.
If you want to work towards about the middle of where we left you.
Yeah, I wouldn't. Hey, I'd stay right there. Let him get his thing going. Stay back plenty. That way we can get a good track on him. I don't like getting up in the containment area. Let's stay back.
I heard him hiding up in the brush up here.
Really?
But I didn't want to get in there.
Yeah, sure. No, he's not far. That's the freshest track as you can get.
Why is he not? He's running. He's still moving.
I know. Hang on, get close, but not. We don't want to get. Yeah. No, you all are good. No, you all are good. I'm just. Hey, Trent, went through here. Okay, you gonna swing around? No, you all are good.
Oh,
I'm trying to get killed. They're getting up there a little too far up on this track.
I got
trying to keep
I got
you all are good.
Circle around it. Hey, right here. Show me your hand.
Show your hand.
You better not move. You hear me? Do not move. Do not. Kyle. Crossfire. I got him. You're gonna put your hands in the back and you're gonna roll over right now. Get out! No! Let go of the tree!
I'm not holding you, man. Ow!
Hang on.
I'm
Slow
not
down.
holding on to
Calm
nothing.
down. Calm down.
Stand up. Put your feet under and stand up. Damn me.
You're waiting in there. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not resisting at all.
Bull. You got him?
There's a reason tool brands like Bauer, Pittsburgh, and U.S. General are showing up in homes and garages all across America.
Step out.
Go.
Super strict you are. Thank you for being receptive. That's your work.
They gotta walk with your ass all the way out there, all the way out the trees. They gotta walk with his ass all the way back out the trees. That shit is crazy.
We've already obviously shown what he's like. Let's get a cage card.
That shit is crazy, insane.
You got the right to remain silent. I just use it.
I hope you use it.
Good.
Man, oh man.
grabbing you so I didn't fall.
He's gonna fall on you. Get up, bro. You one who came out here like a little kid.
Make sure you got no blood on it. He's bleeding. Had a couple scratches. Game just coming over.
Black buddy. What's your name? What was his name?
Which one?
These two right here.
Stinson Morgan.
Thank you.
I'll catch you again.
I thought I'm doing 20 years.
Talk to you second time. What the third?
You talked to me first time?
Yeah.
4.5 years ago?
Yeah.
You can catch wasn't your ass. It wasn't. I know it wasn't. I know who it was. It wasn't you. Shoot, that is disrespectful.
Or you want to put those on and I'll put mine?
Yeah, I bet you will.
I know it. You can make it in prison.
For sure. Where'd your shoes?
I know. What county am I going to?
Butler.
I hate that.
Keep a camera on him so he don't try to say we done something.
I don't know.
He wasn't ever trying to hurt you, but he kept looking at your calf going, click, click, click. I'm like, hey.
The suspect, identified as 38-year-old Andrew Delcamp, has an extensive criminal history in Missouri, with criminal cases dating back to 2017. According to court records, he previously pleaded guilty to second-degree burglary in 2019 and was sentenced to 7 years in the Missouri Department of Corrections. For this case, Andrew pleaded guilty in 2 separate Butler County felony cases on February 25th, 2025. He pleaded guilty to first-degree tampering with a motor vehicle, resisting arrest by fleeing while creating a substantial risk of serious injury or death, and second-degree burglary. He was sentenced to 7 years in the Missouri Department of Corrections for tampering with a motor vehicle and 2 years for resisting arrest, with the sentences ordered to run back-to-back. He received an additional 7 years for second-degree burglary, which was added to the previous sentence. In total, Andrew was sentenced to 16 years in prison, just 4 years shy.
Damn.